So I mean, I'm building it for hourly, so I'm gonna trade on hourly. But you're right, and you can do whatever you want to do with it. That's the cool thing. And that's part of the reason I share all this stuff is because Keith, you're so right. And like everybody has a different way of looking at things, approaching markets. And if I can just put out this content that's showing what I'm doing, then you can kind of do whatever you want to do with it. Like you could do this on minute, you could do it on 15 minute, you could do it on daily, and so on and so on. So good eye, my brother, and I appreciate everything you do for this community. All right, so it's collecting all of the data. And yeah, if you guys ever want to contact me, you can hit me up on Twitter. That's going to get directly to me. Email is cool as well. It's just I have help with my email, so it's going to take like a little bit longer to get to me. But that's okay. That's okay. So now we're still collecting all the data, but what's cool is I'm using Hyperliquid, so theoretically this should find more opportunities to trade than DYDX. And then on top of that, we get the points. Every trade we get points. So the points should lead to a uh-oh. It's doing it again. Look at that. All right. The points should lead to a airdrop. So let's just raw dog this. Get tradable markets, okay. So what is it doing? It is putting the columns on, like it's adding multiple of these. So you can see here, like for example, this timestamp right here. Above is my DF, and you can see that it is using multiple, or it is keeping multiple columns, rows with the same timestamp or date time. We don't want that. We want to have just one row per timestamp. Here is my code. Please update. Okay, and I'm gonna also do this by hand because I was just saying how lazy I was, and we can do this by ourselves. So I need to get some tradable markets that are long but not too long. Copy public paste this in here. All right. So we're gonna just reconstruct this, and this can happen with merge result if multiple rows for each timestamp, because each new data frame, df add its own rows for the timestamp. To solve this, we need to modify your merging logic. All right, I'm gonna give it one chance. I'm gonna give it one chance here. I was so excited. I was so excited. But it just put us back into the loop of errors. This is the problem with AI sometimes, but it's okay because I'm a raw dog it. Yep, Keith, that's exactly what will be done here once we get past this point. So Keith asked, can you sort it to show the most correlated pairs? Yep, that is the thing that it's actually doing after it gets this correct. So we'll get there, we'll get there. I love watching this volatility here while coding, because I know people got wrecked right here. They probably sold right here, that was bouncing back up, or they bought right here. And I don't love hearing people get wrecked, of course, but I love that I'm not trying to hand trade this. Because it's like, oh no, it's over, boom. Or it's like, oh no, I'm gonna miss it, then boom. That's how markets go. That's why I don't believe in watching